Hi, I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Come Together by the Beatles. It's a great beginner song, so let's get started, okay? So there's been lots of covers of this, but I'm going to show you how the Beatles did it mostly, okay? So in the very beginning, there's a bass part, and the guitar isn't even playing, but when I'm just playing it myself, I like to do this. And the way I do that is I just hit an open D string here, and then I go. So open D twice, and then I push the 5th fret with my 3rd finger, and I slide down to the 7th fret. Then I put my 1st finger on the 5th fret of the G string, my middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string. And I'm kind of faking the bass part with this. That's not how the guitar goes really on the Beatles version, but I'm just going to show you this anyway. And when you start singing, they're doing this. So that's a D bar chord here. So on the 5th fret, you're gonna bar from the A string down. You're gonna take your pinky, your ring finger, and you're gonna lay it on the 7th fret here, on the D, G, and the B strings, and then you're gonna take your pinky, and you're gonna do this sort of a bluesy sort of a thing here on the 9th fret of the D string, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, down, up, down, up. Then you're going to move all those fingers up one string. Okay, so it goes like this. And then from there, it's going to go. So you're going to go. You're going to bar the 5th fret. You're going to put your 3rd and 4th finger on the 7th fret of the A and the D. 1, 2, 1, 2, down. That's going to be a bar on the 5th, your 3rd and 4th finger on the 7th fret, your middle finger is going to go on the 6th fret of the G string. Slide it down to the 4th, and then just down once on the 3rd. And it goes back into that intro. And it does it again. After the second time, it goes. So that is, it's going to be this B chord down here. We're going to bar the 7th fret. On the E, the A string you're going to be on the 9th fret. D string you're going to be on the 9th fret. And the G string you're going to be on the 8th fret. So you're going to go, slide it down to 5. From the 5 to the 3. Dun, 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 dun. And that's about all there is to Come Together. You'll have to listen to it. Once you learn these little chord progressions, they play it 3 times basically. And it's one of them songs that everybody kind of seems to know when you play it, so it's fun to know. So if you have any other suggestions for songs you'd like to learn, leave them in the suggestions, and give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll bring you more videos. All right? Thank you. Have a great day.